Which company has partnered with the Indian government to roll out a vaccine finder tool on its mobile app in India to get vaccinated? Answer: Facebook. What is the name of the world's first artificial intelligence ship? Answer: Mayflower 400. The Arauca Bridge has been inaugurated in which country? Answer: Portugal. Who clinched the gold medal in the 45 kg category at the Asian Weightlifting Championship in Tashkent, Uzbekistan? Answer: Jhilli Dal Behera. Who has been appointed as Director of the Indian Institute of Rice Research? Answer: Raman Meenakshi Sundaram. The Gopabandhu Sambadika Swasthya Bima Yojana has been launched by which state? Answer: Odisha. The nation's first drive-in vaccination center was inaugurated by MP Rahul Sewale in which city? Answer: Mumbai. Chaudhary Ajit Singh, who has passed away, was the founder of which political party? Answer: Rashtriya Lok Dal. How much amount has been committed by Citibank to support COVID-19 relief measures in India? Answer: rupees 200 crore. The first ever India-France-Australia trilateral foreign ministerial dialogue was held recently in which city? Answer: London. What is the theme of the 2021 World Red Cross and Red Crescent Day? Answer: Unstoppable. Which of the following banks selected as a digital payments partner by the National Agriculture Market? Answer: Kotak Mahindra Bank. The All India Chess Federation launched an initiative to help the chess community affected by the pandemic. What is it called? Answer: Checkmate COVID Initiative. The RBI has constituted an advisory group to assist the Regulatory Review Authority. Who is the head of this advisory group? Answer: S. Janaki Raman. Which state government has launched an Ayurvedic telemedicine facility for corona patients? Answer: Haryana. Who is the author of the new children book titled The Bench? Answer Meghan Markle. Kerala has said to become Har Ghar Jal state by which year? Answer 2024. Which country inaugurated a small hydropower plant at Chandannath municipality in Jamla district with Indian assistance? Answer Nepal. What is the theme of this year's World Migratory Bird Day 2021? Answer Sing, fly, soar like a bird. The Rupsi Airport has commenced operations in which state? Answer Assam. The HAL demonstrated which advanced light helicopter its deck operations capabilities. Answer Dhruv. Which institute has launched the mission Bharat 2? Answer IIT Kanpur. The Petroleum and Natural Gas Minister has flagged up the first supply of UCO used cooking oil based biodiesel blended diesel in which city? Answer New Delhi. As per the Finance Ministry, how much amount of revenue deficit grant was released to 17 states for the year 2021 and 22? Answer Rupees 9,871 crore. Which country has launched a new remote sensing satellite Yogan 34 into space? Answer China. The RBI has excluded Lakshmi Vilas Bank from the second schedule of the Reserve Bank of India Act 1934. The Lakshmi Vilas Bank was merged with which bank? Answer DBS Bank India Limited. Maharaja Krishna Kaushik and Rabindra Pal Singh have passed away, both Indian players related to which sports? Answer Hockey. Who has been sworn in as the new Chief Minister of Assam? Answer Himant Biswa Sarma. Who has been felicitated with the Sportswoman of the Year at the 2021 Laureus World Sports Awards? Answer Naomi Osaka. What amount of finance contract has been signed between India and European Investment Bank during the India EU leaders meeting? Answer Euro 150 million. Which female cricket player has won the ICC Women's Player of the Month for April 2021? Answer Alisa Healy. Which country's population has crossed 1.4 billion? Answer: China. The National Technology Day is observed every year on which day? Answer: 11 May. Which player has been named as the ICC Men's Player of the Month for April 2021? Answer: Babar Azam. Bollywood actor Anupam Kher has won the Best Actor award at the New York City International Film Festival 2021 for which film? Answer: Happy Birthday. The Dog E1 mission to the moon will be launched by which company in 2022? Answer: SpaceX. Anti-COVID drug 2DG has been developed by which organization? Answer: DRDO. Which company got authorization for the RBI for issuance and operation of semi-closed prepaid payment instruments with perpetual validity? Answer: Bajaj Finance. When is International Nurses Day celebrated? Answer: May 12. The third Arctic Science Ministerial 2021 has been held in which city? Answer: Tokyo. The G20 Tourism Ministers meeting was held virtually in which country? Answer: Italy. Who has been sworn in as the new administrator of NASA? Answer: Bill Nelson.